Oh man, I don't know if Marcus could see that behind me, but this thing started going whoop, 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 and shake and bake, baby. That was awesome. Good back there. Yeah, a little supercharger whine, and then Peyton's back there going zoom, 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 zoom. Gotta make a confession. When I was at the gas station back there, I got out of the car and it was still in gear, and it didn't move. Don't tell anybody that, guys. That's our little secret. Hey kid, what you think?
Bad.
Got a little pep in her step, even with you driving it. Oh! Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to MFD Garage, and welcome back to John's Automotive here in Jacksonville, Florida. That's right, guys. We're back at it again. You saw that little box I was carrying out this morning, the little super secret box, and you saw in the last video that we put the exhaust on the 570S. It sounds better, guys, but it still sounds quiet, guys. Still sounds a little bit wimpy. Peyton, insert clip here. But guys, today is the day. We are doing catless downpipes. We're gonna bring this baby alive, and next week get this thing tuned, and it is going to be a monster. Thing is already a ripper. Peyton says the thing is a ripper, which kind of scares me that he's driving a ripper and he's driving a car that may be faster than the Huracan. We might have an issue, guys, but let's get this party started. Hello? Can you hear me?
I actually can't.
No, you can't.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Give it a whirl.
Well.
Yeah, you actually can.
Music keeps me dancing.
Y'all been all playing while we've been over here slaving?
Got Charlie a surprise.
Ooh, Charlie, a surprise.
Hey, Charlie.
Dang. What is this?
That's the only thing they had. That's the only one they had. I was looking for it.
I told him the little sleeve of peanuts, but hey, now you got more for next week, Chuck.
Yeah.
It's the thought that counts.
Yeah.
Good job, kid. What'd you get? Since Marcus got Charlie a treat, did you get me a treat?
No.
Rude. Rude. Oh.
Put your head right here.
There's no place for violence in the workplace, but it's Saturday and it's not a workplace.
We're not open today.
Yeah. Get out of here. Ow! Why are you so violent?
Pork cat or what? You said McLaren.
Oh, is that what I gotta get scared of? Is the foot movement? Doing here? Huh? Ooh, you gonna go wrap some header? Make this thing go boom, 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 boom?
It's not headers, it's downpipes.
My bad. My bad. Get out of here. Back from lunch, a delicious lunch, I may say, and Peyton is hard at work getting that downpipe wrapped. Woohoo! After that, what do we gotta do, Peyton?
Put everything back together.
Assembly. Some assembly required. Are you wrapping this one, Marcus?
I guess so.
Dang. Well, are y'all wrapping? Up. Give me some.
Boots and cats.
Ooh, he's doing a.
Gotta go. Let the dogs out.
Hey, you need to drive careful. Look at that. Looks scary. Scary Larry.
Look like you.
Whoa,
Hey,
whatever.
here's another battery.
Is it a full one?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because,
Because you haven't been videoing nothing? Oh, you got served. All right, drive careful.
okay.
Yeah, and I told him to drive careful. Kids don't listen, guys. Kids don't listen. Well, guys, she is buttoned up. She is looking fantastic. She's looking pretty. Thanks to Huggy Bear, who's over there putting his tools away. Ratchet, who's in there, gonna do the old inaugural fire up with this baby. Hey, Ratchet, let's hear this thing. Fire this baby up. That's what I'm talking about, guys. When the exhaust was just put on, it was kind of Wimpy McWhimperson. Now,
It does not do it justice. We are having to scream at each other.
it sounds awesome. Hey, Rob, come on a little. She is sounding good, guys. Well, the weather outside's gotten pretty nasty. I'm gonna bring this thing home. We'll pull it out tomorrow, do some pulls. really get to hear this thing under a load. It is gonna be awesome. Until the morning, guys, see ya. Well guys, the rain is gone, the sunshine is here. It is absolutely beautiful out here. This thing sounds absolutely amazing. You're gonna hear it here in just a second. Oh my goodness. The turbo whistle through the exhaust is just absolutely fantastic. It sounds like, it's like music. Music to your ears, guys. Take a listen to this thing in 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, did you hear it? Between the shifts sounds so good. The pop, man, I am extremely happy with this exhaust. It sounds nasty in a good way. Y'all know what I'm saying, nasty but nasty good. What do you think, dude? From out here, this thing sounds absolutely nasty. I mean, how does it sound in there? Is it loud?
With the windows down, yeah.
How about compared to the Huracan, what you think?
The Huracan. This one doesn't have all the
babbly babbles?
Yeah,
To me, I mean, you got a V8 versus a V10. And the V8, they got this thing sounding nasty.
Yeah.
And can you hear the turbo whistle in there?
Yeah.
Turbo whistles out here are nasty. Comment below what y'all think about this exhaust, how y'all think it sounds. I don't think the camera's gonna give it justice to how it really sounds, but if you hear this thing in person, you're gonna be giving it a thumbs up. But speaking of thumbs up, guys, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, and turn on those notification bells. That helps us tremendously with the algorithms with YouTube. And also, guys, don't forget about the 5K car sub giveaway. It's easy, it's super duper peasy. Subscribe to the channel, screenshot it, follow us on Instagram, DM us the screenshot, you're automatically entered to win. But as always, guys, never forget, you gotta dream it to live it. You gotta dream it to live it.
See ya.